host, MK Vlogs here, and today we are going to I'm going to show you how to organize your channel. Now over here you can see that I have a video over here that attract new visitors to my channel to see the best parts of my video, and I can possibly get subscribers. So I'm going to show you guys how to do so, and also I can label this like vlogs and it'll show all my vlogs here. Lego videos, I'll show all my Lego videos here, tutorials, which one is right now, I'll show them, Fortnite, Roblox, and others. So I'm going to show you how to do that and name your videos with sections. So the first thing you want to do, and you basically want to make a playlist. So you want to go to customize channel. Alright, you want to go to playlists. Alright, so you can see all your playlists, but if you don't have any, it's okay. It'll just show up this. This will show up add a new playlist. You want to click that. I'm going to keep it public, just for this, because private won't work, because public you would want to put it because it's your YouTube channel, and yeah. Alright, so let me name it, I don't know, testing for, I'll just write testing, alright? Okay. And then you want to click create. Okay, once it's done, you want to click edit to add the videos in the playlist if you don't know how to do that. So click add videos. You want to add your YouTube videos because it's your channel, and I'll show you why you want to add your YouTube videos later. So I'm just gonna do shoutouts just for now, and then I'll switch it back once the video is done. So okay, so shoutouts is here. Then you wanna go to, so once that's done, you can add as many videos as you want to your playlist. You want to go all the way, home. And then you want to scroll all the way down and click add a section. Now this is where the actual work comes in. Select content, go down and click single playlist, find playlist, and it will be here. So testing. Now if you do it private, it will not show up because it has to be a public playlist, because you're actually adding it to your channel, and your channel, it has to basically just be a public playlist. So this is why you have to do it for your channel videos, because it's your channel and you're organizing your videos. So you wanted to click your videos. So click testing. Then I'll show the video that you have, or the videos if you're adding more to the playlist, like I did with all these videos. And then you want to just click, you can also pick horizontal, vertical list, whatever. You can just click done. And boom! Testing, others, Roblox, blah blah blah. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. I hope to see you again. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comments. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.